Hey, what's going on? If you want to get a complete system that makes melting fat easy and is 100% automated, then I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of your page right now. YouTube doesn't let me make that link clickable, so you're actually gonna have to type it into your browser, or I also put the copy of the link in the description, so you can click on that or type it into your browser. All right. For now, enjoy the video, and after you're done with this video, make sure to go to that link to get a complete fat melting system.
So now let's get into military press. Alex is going to demonstrate the move. We're going pretty much shoulder width apart, a little bit wider, so he can a neutral grip, so he can work a good range of those muscles. We're not really specifying on one exact one. It's a compound lift, so we're working a bunch of different muscles right here. Really focusing on our deltoids. Alex is going to bring it down, and he's going to keep his back straight, head up the whole time, and he's driving it up, and he's driving his head straight through. So the bar lines strip with the top of his head. You do an example from the side. Boom, perfect. Goes down and up. A really good workout for the deltoids, the top of our chest, and notice how we're doing everything pretty much with free weight. He's standing most of the time, so now we're building all those other functional muscles. He has to keep his whole core tight, his abs tight, his lower back tight, his legs. So on top of really specifying and building bulk in our upper body, we're toning up everything else and keeping that engaged. So we burn more calories on top of getting bigger and stronger.
Hey, real quick, one more thing before you go. I want to make sure you know that there is no correlation between how hard you work and how much fat you melt or how much muscle you build. All right? There's enough science, enough data out there that there's absolutely no correlation between hard work and results. All right? There's a difference between movement and achievement. All right? If you want to learn my best tips, what I call the 5% hacks that allow you to get maximum results, maximum fat loss, maximum lean muscle gain, I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of this page, or you can click on the link in the description. All right, you're going to get a complete system for melting fat in an intelligent and streamlined system. I'll see you there.